In this video, we'll show you how to remove the rear mirror from the Tesla Cybertruck. So this is in preparation for if you plan to have a clearer view of the front windshield. You really don't need it because the Tesla Cybertruck has a live feed camera. So there's a camera for the rear. But the problem with this is that once you put the tailgate down, the camera faces the ground. So what we will be doing is creating a new live feed rear camera that will be able to be installed here, and you will have live feed 24/7 even when your tonneau cover is closed. So to remove this is fairly easy. There's a small clip visible to the naked eye on the bottom where this actual arm is, and you want to grab a flathead screwdriver and place it inside, tilt it towards the back, and this will pop right open. So you can see there, you just want to pry it open a little bit and it will just pop right open, and there you have it. So it is a small plastic clip, and this is what covers the torque 20 screw underneath this arm. So if you look closely, there is a torque 20 screw right behind the arm there that's holding this rear mirror. See that silver screw? So you want to get a torque screwdriver, T20, and loosen that up all the way until it's ready to come off. Make sure you don't fully unscrew it without holding the mirror, because it will eventually drop out depending on how closely it is aligned with the trim. So here, once the screw is removed, you can remove this rear mirror, and Tesla designed it so you actually don't really need this, because most of the time you're driving around with your tonneau cover closed unless you're hauling something around. But if you're hauling something around, you won't be able to see through the rear window anyways. So you place this aside, and there's actually a cover that can close up this opening where the torque 20 screw was originally at. And that is how you remove the rear mirror from the Tesla Cybertruck. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch y'all next time.